To watch all our videos, click subscribe, click on the bell icon and click all. Now navigate to the settings of your mobile phone. Go to apps and notifications. Notifications, YouTube, and make sure all the options on the right are turned on.
Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we will see the forms of I am with verb. Let us take few examples and see how sentences are made. I am talking. I am talking. Talk is matadu in Kannada. Talk is matadu in Kannada. I is nanu. I is nanu. Talking. Talking. Matadu ta. Matadu ta. Ta is added whenever we talk about present continuous tense. Okay, now this is happening right now. He is currently talking. Okay, so matadutta. Ta. Iddene. Iddene is am. Am is iddene. So whenever I comes, whenever nanu comes, iddene should come at the end. Okay, nanu, I, matadutta, talking, iddene, am. Okay, I am writing. I am writing. Write is bare. Bare in Kannada. I is nanu. I is nanu. Writing. Bareyutta. Bareyutta. In most of the cases it is ta itself, but in this case it is yutta. Okay, we add yutta to make it in continuous form. Bareyutta. Iddene. Am. Am. So whenever I am comes, nanu iddene should come. Okay, you should use nanu iddene. I am cooking. I am cooking. Cook is aduge madu in Kannada. Aduge madu. Nanu, I, aduge madutta, cooking, iddene, am. Nanu, I, aduge madutta, ta is added, madutta, cooking, iddene, am. Okay. Now let us negate the sentence. I am not talking. I am not talking. Nanu, I, matadutta, talking, illa, am not. Okay, not is illa. Not is illa, but since it is coming with I am not, okay, or am not, it is ta illa. Okay, ta illa. Nanu matadutta illa. So this is present continuous form. I am not writing. I am not writing. ನಾನು ಬರೆಯುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲ comes at the end. ಇಲ್ಲ means not. ಇದ್ದೇನೆ, previous one. ಇದ್ದೇನೆ means I am or am. Am ಇದ್ದೇನೆ, am not ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕುಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್. ನಾನು ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್. ಆಮ್ ಐ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್? ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಆಮ್ ಐ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್? ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನಾ? ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನಾ? ಐ ಈಸ್ ಸೇಮ್. ಐ ಮಾತಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್, ಬಟ್ ಆಮ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ at the beginning. Okay, you are asking a question, am I? Okay, at that time you must add iddena at the end. Okay, iddene means I am talking. Iddene is I am talking. Iddena means am I talking? Okay, iddena means am I talking? Am I writing? Am I writing? ನಾನು ಬರೆಯುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನಾ? ಇದ್ದೇನಾ? So only the last word changes. Okay, ಇದ್ದೇನಾ. Am I cooking? ನಾನು ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನಾ? ಇದ್ದೇನಾ. So when you put iddena at the end, it asks a question, am I? Okay, am I? Now negative question. Am I not talking? Am I not talking? ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ನಾನು ಐ ಮಾತಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್, ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಇಲ್ವಾ comes at the end. That's all. Rest of the things remain same. Am I not writing? ನಾನು ಬರೆಯುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಇಲ್ವಾ. Am I not cooking? ನಾನು ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಇಲ್ವಾ. ಇಲ್ವಾ comes at the end if it is am I not. Clear? Now, I am with feelings, state and location. Okay, there are few different forms here. I am happy. I am happy. Happy is kushi in Kannada. Okay. ನಾನು ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ, ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ, ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ, ಯಾಗಿ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಡ್. ಆಮ್ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ, ಇದ್ದೇನೆ, ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಸಾ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾನು ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಟ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಟ್. Fat is dappa. Dappa. I, ನಾನು, fat, ದಪ್ಪ, am, ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. There are no connecting words here. Okay, there is no connecting word for this dappa. So when you compare this and this, you can see there is a connecting word yagi in this sentence. There is nothing here. So it comes once again with practice. Okay. ನಾನು ದಪ್ಪ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. I am fat. I am at home. I am at home. ನಾನು I ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. At home. Home is ಮನೆ. ಮನೆ is home. ಎಲ್ಲಿ means at. Am is ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಾನು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. Okay. Now for rest of the sentences only the last word will change. Clear? Let us see those. I am not happy. Negating it. I am not happy. ನಾನು ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು I ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ happy am not ಇಲ್ಲ. I am not fat. I am not fat. ನಾನು ದಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲ. As you can see, only the last word has changed and it has become illa here. I am not at home. I am not at home. ನಾನು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲ is the only thing that has changed here. ಇದ್ದೇನೆ means I am at home. I am. I am not. I am not. ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲ. I ನಾನು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ at home am not ಇಲ್ಲ. Next question. Am I happy? You are asking yourself or you are asking someone else. Am I happy? ನಾನು I ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ happy. Am. Am in this sentence in question form. ಇದ್ದೇನಾ. ಇದ್ದೇನಾ. ಇದ್ದೇನಾ is asking a question. So whenever ನಾನು comes, ಇದ್ದೇನಾ must come if you are asking a question. So here too you can see only the last word has changed. These two remain same from previous slides. Am I fat? Am I fat? ನಾನು ದಪ್ಪ ಇದ್ದೇನಾ. ಇದ್ದೇನಾ. Am I at home? ನಾನು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೇನಾ. So ಇದ್ದೇನಾ is the one which asks the question. Clear? Now negating and question. Am I not happy? Am I not happy? Once again only the last word changes. ನಾನು I ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ happy ಇಲ್ವಾ. am not ಇಲ್ವಾ. am I not fat? ನಾನು I ದಪ್ಪ, ಫ್ಯಾಟ್. ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್, ಇಲ್ವಾ, ಇಲ್ವಾ. ಆಮ್ ಐ ನಾಟ್ ಆಟ್ ಹೋಮ್, ನಾನು, ಐ, ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಆಟ್ ಹೋಮ್, ಇಲ್ವಾ, ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ in question form. Clear? So if you compare all the things that we studied till now, only the last thing changes, last word changes. Okay, remaining everything is same, it stays same. Clear? Now practice with few sentences of your own before you proceed to next video. I am hungry. I am hungry. ನನಗೆ ಹಸಿವು ಆಗಿದೆ. ನನಗೆ ಹಸಿವು ಆಗಿದೆ. Hungry or hunger is ಹಸಿವೆ or ಹಸಿವು. Okay, some call it ಹಸಿವೆ, some call it ಹಸಿವು. ಆಗಿದೆ comes with ನನಗೆ. Okay, if you are forming a sentence, if it is related to feelings, then ನನಗೆ comes, and whenever ನನಗೆ comes, the sentence has to end with ಆಗಿದೆ. Okay, that ಆಗಿದೆ means am. Okay, I becomes ನನಗೆ, am is ಆಗಿದೆ. I am ನನಗೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. I am what? ನನಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? I am hungry. ನನಗೆ ಹಸಿವು ಆಗಿದೆ. So I is ನನಗೆ, am is ಆಗಿದೆ. I am happy can also be told like this. I ನನಗೆ am ಆಗಿದೆ. Happy ಖುಷಿ. ನನಗೆ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನನಗೆ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. I am feeling bored. I am feeling bored. Bore is ಬೇಸರ in ಕನ್ನಡ. I ನನಗೆ feeling bored. Bored ಬೇಸರ. am feeling. am feeling ಅನಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, am ಆಗಿದೆ, am ಆಗಿದೆ, am feeling ಅನಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಅನಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಐ, ನಾನು. ನನಗೆ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೀ ನನಗೆ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಐ. ಆಮ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಐ, ಸೊ ಆಗಿದೆ ಶುಡ್ ಕಮ್ ವಿತ್ ನನಗೆ. ನನಗೆ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹಂಗ್ರಿ, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹಂಗ್ರಿ. ಐ ನನಗೆ ಹಂಗ್ರಿ ಹಸಿವು ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್. ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ಐ ನನಗೆ ಖುಷಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್. ನನಗೆ ಐ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಬೇಸರ. ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಅನಿಸುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಮ್ ಐ ಹಂಗ್ರಿ? Am I hungry? You're asking a question. ನನಗೆ ಐ ಹಸಿವು hungry. Am in question form is ಆಗಿದೆಯೇ ಆಗಿದೆಯೇ. So this is am in question form. Am I happy? Am I happy? ನನಗೆ ಐ ಖುಷಿ happy ಆಗಿದೆಯೇ. Am in question form. ನನಗೆ in this example, am I feeling bored? ನನಗೆ ಐ ಬೇಸರ bored ಅನಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆಯೇ. am feeling ಅನಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆಯೇ. am feeling. am I not hungry? am I not hungry? ನನಗೆ ಐ ಹಸಿವು hungry ಆಗಿಲ್ಲವೇ. am not ಆಗಿಲ್ಲವೇ. am not in question form ಆಗಿಲ್ಲವೇ. am I not happy? am I not happy? ನನಗೆ ಐ ಖುಷಿ happy am not in question form ಆಗಿಲ್ಲವೇ. am I not feeling bored? ನನಗೆ ಐ ಬೇಸರ bored ಅನಿಸುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲವೇ. am not feeling ಅನಿಸುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲವೇ. So if you compare all the sentences, only the last word will change. Only the last word will change. So practice this by using simple sentences and you will become perfect in negating and asking questions. Clear? Click subscribe and the bell icon to get all the notification from Kannada TV.